Java OOPS Concepts Practice Interview Questions. Question 1. What is inheritance in Java? Give an example. A. Extending a class to share its methods and properties. B. Combining multiple classes into one class. C. Hiding class details using private access modifiers. D. Creating an interface for class methods. The correct answer is A. Extending a class to share its methods and properties. Inheritance allows one class to inherit fields and methods from another class. Question 2. What is polymorphism in Java? Give an example. A. Method overloading and method overriding. B. Creating a new object using a constructor. C. Defining multiple classes with the same name. D. Using final keyword to prevent changes. The correct answer is A. Method overloading and method overriding. Polymorphism allows methods to behave differently depending on the object type. Question 3. What is encapsulation in Java? Example. A. Encapsulating data using getter and setter methods. B. Allowing direct access to all variables. C. Preventing inheritance between classes. D. Making all variables public. The correct answer is A. Encapsulating data using getter and setter methods. Encapsulation hides data and allows controlled access via getters and setters. Question 4. What is abstraction in Java? Example. A. Defining an abstract class or interface with incomplete methods. B. Implementing all methods in the class. C. Using final methods to restrict method modification. D. Creating abstract methods in every class. The correct answer is A. Defining an abstract class or interface with incomplete methods. Abstraction hides complex implementation and exposes only necessary functionality. Question 5. What is method overriding? Example. A. Overloading a method with a different number of parameters. B. Rewriting a superclass method in the subclass. C. Using the same method name but with different return type. D. Changing method visibility in the subclass. The correct answer is B. Rewriting a superclass method in the subclass. Method overriding allows a subclass to provide a specific implementation of a method. Question 6. What is the difference between method overloading and overriding? A. Overloading changes method signatures. Overriding changes method implementation. B. Overloading involves the same method signature. Overriding has different signatures. C. Overloading is only possible with constructors. Overriding is with regular methods. D. Overloading requires inheritance. Overriding does not. The correct answer is A. Overloading changes method signatures. Overriding changes method implementation. Overloading is defining multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. Question 7. What is an abstract class in Java? Example. A. A class that cannot have abstract methods. B. A class that cannot be instantiated directly. C. A class that is a subclass of an interface. D. A class that implements all methods of interfaces. The correct answer is B. A class that cannot be instantiated directly. An abstract class cannot be instantiated directly but can be subclassed. Question 8. What is the difference between an interface and an abstract class? A. Abstract class can have concrete methods, interfaces cannot. B. An interface can have constructors, abstract classes cannot. C. An interface can inherit classes, abstract classes cannot. D. Interfaces can have no methods, abstract classes must have methods. The correct answer is A. Abstract class can have concrete methods, interfaces cannot. Abstract classes can implement methods, interfaces only declare them. Question 9. How is inheritance implemented in Java? Example: A. Using the extends keyword for class inheritance. B. Using the implements keyword for class inheritance. C. Through constructor chaining. D. By creating objects of another class. The correct answer is A. Using the extends keyword for class inheritance. The extends keyword is used to inherit methods and fields from a superclass. Question 10. What is the purpose of the super keyword? A. To call a superclass constructor. B. To reference a variable in the current class. C. To prevent method overriding. D. To declare an abstract class. The correct answer is A. To call a superclass constructor. The super keyword calls the constructor of the superclass to initialize it. Question 11. What is the significance of the this keyword? A. Refers to the current instance of the class. B. Refers to the superclass instance. C. Refers to static members of the class. D. Refers to a method's arguments. The correct answer is A. Refers to the current instance of the class. This is used to refer to the current object within a class. Question 12. What is a constructor in Java? A. A method to initialize objects. B. A type of method for inheritance. C. A method that performs method overloading. D. A method that is called by the JVM. The correct answer is A. A method to initialize objects. Constructors are used to initialize an object's state when it's created. Question 13. What does method overloading allow in Java? A. Defining a method with different names. B. Defining methods with the same name but different parameters. C. Defining a method with a different return type. D. Defining a method that overrides another. The correct answer is B. Defining methods with the same name but different parameters. Method overloading allows multiple methods with the same name but different parameter lists. Question 14. What is the purpose of a final keyword? A. To make a variable immutable. B. To prevent method overriding. C. To restrict inheritance of classes. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. The final keyword can make variables, methods, and classes immutable or unchangeable. Question 15. What is the purpose of an interface? A. To provide a blueprint for classes. B. To store data in Java collections. C. To create an object of the class. D. To allow multiple inheritance in Java. The correct answer is A. To provide a blueprint for classes. Interfaces define abstract methods that classes must implement. Question 16. What is multiple inheritance in Java? A. Inheriting from multiple classes directly. B. Inheriting from multiple interfaces. C. Inheriting from a superclass and a subclass. D. Inheriting from abstract classes only. The correct answer is B. Inheriting from multiple interfaces. Java allows multiple inheritance only through interfaces, not through classes. Question 17. What is the purpose of the instance of operator? A. To check the type of an object. B. To convert one type of object to another. C. To instantiate a class. D. To compare object references. The correct answer is A. To check the type of an object. The instance of operator checks if an object is an instance of a specific class. Question 18. What is the significance of the super keyword? A. To access superclass methods and constructors. B. To override methods in the subclass. C. To refer to static variables. D. To access private variables of a superclass. The correct answer is A. To access superclass methods and constructors. Super allows access to the superclass methods and constructors from a subclass. Question 19. What is a singleton class in Java? A. A class with only one method. B. A class that can be instantiated only once. C. A class with only one constructor. D. A class that implements multiple interfaces. The correct answer is B. A class that can be instantiated only once. Singleton ensures only one instance of a class is created in a program. Question 20. How can you achieve polymorphism in Java? A. By method overloading and method overriding. B. By using the final keyword. C. By using abstract classes only. D. By implementing multiple interfaces. The correct answer is A. By method overloading and method overriding. Polymorphism allows objects to take many forms, achieved by method overloading and overriding.